from tomorrow for community pharmacists as well. So just before we begin, I wanted to tell you a little bit about who we are. So we're the Commonwealth Pharmacists Association. I don't know if many of you have heard of us. We've been in existence since the 1970s. We were created to leverage the strengths of the profession across the Commonwealth, across 56 different countries, to develop the profession, to improve standards of pharmacy practice. And that's what we still do today. We have a vision for a world where everybody should have access to quality medicines, vaccines and pharmacy services. We really recognise the role that pharmacy has in achieving universal health coverage for our whole Commonwealth. We believe in the profession and like IPA, we strive to help develop those education standards so we can deliver quality of pharmaceutical care to patients, and we believe that wherever there's a medicine there should be a pharmacist. So we work both with national pharmacy associations to try to improve education standards and pharmacy practice, but we also have a role for advocacy, and we're strategically placed within the Commonwealth to be able to talk to health ministers and to heads of government about the role that pharmacy has in achieving universal health coverage. And I think it's really exciting times, and to see the PharmD going from strength to strength in India and many other places, it's really great to see the profession kind of accelerating the clinical side of what we can provide to patients, as well as the many other kind of different avenues that pharmacy can lead you to in terms of careers. So I think it just leaves me to now really introduce my team, I think, and I'm going to hand over to you, to my colleague Beth in a moment. But before I do, I just want to extend my thanks to our sponsors. There's several sponsors that we're really grateful to, local sponsors here today, that has enabled this workshop to happen, and particularly mention to Rickett, who we've been working with for several months now, to make sure that this workshop could happen, and they've sponsored us to be here today as well. So without further ado, I'm going to hand over to my colleagues. So Beth and Ruth are going to lead you through today, and Beth's going to chair the session for us. So thank you.